Hi, I'm Dave Massey with the Dawnbusters Kiwanis. We are a volunteer organization of about 180 men and women, and we do things in our community. We primarily focus on doing things for the children, but we help out with the elderly. We feed the homeless every week. We have 20 schools that we work with our Rewards for Reading program, which is our signature project. The kids read a book, and if they pass a test on it, then they get a ticket that goes in a drawing. We go twice a year and we give away literally hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of all kind of great prizes, bicycles, MP4 players, free meals. It's amazing when the kids have something to work for, how much better they do in school. We encourage you to come out and join us. We have fun all the time, everything we do, and we're doing something almost every day. Dave Massey, come visit us at the Dawnbusters Kiwanis.